Hello, welcome. This is a slow English story. The title is The Wrong Bag. Please listen slowly. Take your time. Tom wakes up early. It is 6 in the morning. The room is quiet. Tom feels tired. He stretches his arms. He looks at the clock. I must hurry, he says. Today is a busy day. Tom goes to the bathroom. He washes his face. He brushes his teeth. He looks in the mirror. He smiles a little. Let's go, he says. He puts on his jacket. He takes his bag. The bag is black. Inside Tom's bag there are clean clothes, a small book, a phone charger, a bottle of water. Tom closes the bag. He feels ready. He leaves the house. The street is busy. Cars pass by. People walk fast. Tom walks to the bus station. The air is cool. The sky is blue. Tom feels calm. Tom arrives at the bus station. Many people are there. Some people talk. Some people wait quietly. Tom sits on a chair. He puts his bag on the ground. Next to him sits a man. The man also has a black bag. The two bags look the same, very similar. Tom looks at his phone. No new messages. He looks at the road. He yawns. The man next to him stands up. He walks a little. He comes back. The bags stay on the ground. The bus arrives. It is big and blue. The door opens. People stand up. Tom stands up too. He feels a little sleepy. He takes a bag. He does not look carefully. Tom gets on the bus. He finds a seat. He sits near the window. The bus starts moving. Tom looks outside. After some minutes, Tom opens the bag. He wants his book. He looks inside. He stops. He looks again. Inside the bag he sees a red hat, a lunchbox, a pair of shoes, an apple. Tom feels confused. This is strange, he says. This is not my bag. Tom closes the bag. He takes a deep breath. He thinks slowly. I took the wrong bag, he says. His bag has no red hat. His bag has no shoes. This bag is different. Tom feels nervous. His hands are cold. He looks around the bus. People are quiet. The other man is not there. Tom feels worried. What can I do? He thinks. Tom walks to the driver. He speaks slowly and clearly. Excuse me, he says. I have the wrong bag. The driver listens. He nods his head. The driver smiles. It's okay, he says. We will help you. Tom feels better. He says, Thank you very much. The bus stops at the next station. The door opens. Tom gets off the bus. He holds the bag tight. The bus leaves. Tom is alone. Tom walks back to the bus station. He walks slowly. He thinks about his bag. I hope the man is there, he thinks. He feels a little stressed. Tom arrives at the station. He looks around. He sees the man. The man looks worried. He checks his phone. He checks the ground. The man sees Tom. He looks at the bag. He smiles. My bag, he says. Tom smiles too. I'm sorry, Tom says. The two men open the bags. They check inside. Everything is fine. They exchange bags. Tom gets his bag back. He feels happy. The man laughs. It happens, he says. Tom laughs too. Yes, Tom says. I must be careful next time. Tom leaves the station. He feels relaxed again. He thinks, always check your bag. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Tell us, have you ever taken the wrong bag?